waiting patiently by the roadside. We used to stop here when I was a kid. I remember the water, cold, clear, delicious. Or maybe I just needed it to be real.
I'm sure this used to be here. Not from the trough. My parents weren't that
No longer flowing, but still giving.
pretty sure.
A memory, a moment, a connection to something deeper than time. Stillness holds history. Stay tranquil.
No. You're not.